Hey, welcome back. Today we're talking about 5 ways to increase your credit score pretty quick. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Hey, just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Glenda White with Verity Mortgage, the mortgage coach, DFW. That's right, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. We're glad to have you this week. Again, we're jumping into 5 things that can immediately increase your credit score. So, number 1 is make sure you pay those balances down under 30%. Now, pro tip, let's go ahead and keep them between 1 and 10% of the balance. That's right. You're going to have a higher reward on your credit score if you get between 1 and 10% of your credit card limit. There is a 30% algorithm that's going to get you a little bit more on your credit score, but to reach the highest credit potential, let's go ahead and keep 1 to 10% balance on each and every credit score. Number 2, we're talking about a diverse portfolio. That's right. A diverse portfolio means you need to have a little bit of everything so the creditors know how you pay it. And when we talk a little bit of everything, we need to have long-term debt. This is going to be a auto loan. This is going to be a personal loan, an installment loan that has over a 2, 3, 4, 5-year payout history that is the same monthly payment each and every week. We also want to go ahead and throw in some revolving debt as well. Revolving is going to be your credit cards, Nebraska Furniture Mart, whatever it may be. The creditors reward you for having multiple trade lines and not all of one. So a diverse portfolio is your number 2. Number 3, we're going to make sure we pay all of our bills on time. Yes, that's right. That seems like a really cliche of what's due. Okay, Glenda, we're going to pay them. But believe it or not, we see this each and every day. If we simply pay our bills on time, then our credit scores will rapidly start increasing. Now, with that said, if you forget to have a on-time payment, that is going to drastically decrease that credit score. So go ahead and call your financial institution, set it up on bill pay, set it up on auto pay, whatever you have to do. Just make sure you make that monthly payment each and every month. Number 4, we're going to make sure we keep a balance on our credit card. That's right, my folks. We're going to keep between a 1 and a 10% balance on the credit cards. Again, why do we do that? This goes back to the number 1 we had talked about revolving credit under the 30%, but keeping the balance at the $10. My friends, the credit card companies, if you don't believe it, they are in the business to make money. That's right. So in order to make money, you have to keep some kind of a balance on their credit cards. Again, we want to keep between 1 and 10% on the credit cards, and they will reward you with a higher credit score if you keep some kind of a balance on those credits. Number 5, collection accounts. That's right. Collection accounts are going to hurt you immediately. Now, we know sometimes it's inevitable. We have medical collections that pop on there. What we can say is try to mitigate those as much as you can when they go on your credit. So meaning that if you have a medical collection that you see, go ahead and try to make that payment arrangement where it does not hit your credit. What it will do is drop your score immediately, and then we'll have to fight with the creditors to either get it removed, get it resolved, or get it paid zero. Now, what I can tell you is if you pay a zero collection account, a majority of the time, it actually does not help your credit immediately. So if we're in an immediate need to increase your credit because we're looking at making a home purchase, then we need to make sure those collection accounts never hit it. Again, we understand there's medical collections that come up, but we really want to do what we can to keep those off there. So every time a bill comes in, that medical bill comes in, make a call, make some kind of a payment so you can mitigate it from getting on your collection account. Hey, thanks for watching today. Glenda White with Verity Mortgage, the mortgage coach, DFW. That's right, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. We appreciate you coming back and listening to this video. If you think a friend or family member or coworker could use this video, go ahead and share it as well. But in the meantime, so you can help us continue to grow our community, go ahead and subscribe. That's right, subscribe and like it. We'd really appreciate that. And until next time, again, make it a great day.